for those who weren't able to join us at MD&M West 2025, here in Anaheim, we're going to take a virtual tour of the Aptyx booth. You know, at Aptyx, making it happen isn't just our tagline, it's how we do business. It's a mindset about never settling for the status quo, always finding smart solutions for our customers and the patients they serve around the globe. And how do we do that? It is our team that drives that, and in particular, a team of experts. So we were very fortunate to have a group here at the show to talk to customers around predictive engineering, injection molding, tooling, dip coating and dip molding, extrusion, and also where we newly have added capabilities, where we're expanding how we make it happen. So we just acquired the Charlotte facility of Medical Murray, and that brings deep expertise in transcatheter implants and catheter-based interventional products. So let's go take a look, because they are some very exciting products that help improve and save patient lives around the world. So here you see a range of transcatheter implants, from ET/PFE covered stents and frames, nitinol braids, and you know, these are used in a range of applications in structural heart, aortic, peripheral vascular, all to improve and save patient lives. And of course, they have to enter a patient, and with that, you have delivery systems, so complex catheters, delivery systems that deliver the stent or other implant to where it's needed. And then the great thing about this acquisition is that it perfectly complements the existing capabilities from Aptyx, and you can see some of those here. So we have a range of different extrusion, including for mandrel. We also have dip molding and blow molding, balloons and other areas. So, you know, these work perfectly with what happens today in the Charlotte facility, and combined, it lets us work from D&D to manufacturing at scale to help our customers innovate faster and more efficiently. And here you see some of the core areas that Aptyx is really known for. We have in-house tooling, quick turn tooling. Gears are a specialty for over 70 years. You know, gears really represent how good we are at complex injection molding. Other molders come to us for their gears. We also have these gears that are available on chamfer.com. Here we have additional dip molding and blow molding. You know, we were a pioneer in dip molding 60 years ago, and today we're the largest custom dip molder in North America. And it really speaks to the expertise the team has, the entrepreneurial spirit to help develop innovations that drive life-saving devices for patients around the world. And together with our new Aptyx Interventional Systems, you know, we're here to better serve customers and to make an impact on patient lives. Together, we make it happen.